This question belongs to algebra. We have to find out the eigenvalue of the matrix. We have to solve it to find the eigenvalue. It is very simple. Just apply the formula of eigenvalue. First, write the characteristic equation to find the eigenvalue of this 2 cross 2 matrix. Then characteristic equation will be A minus lambda I whose determinant equal to 0, and take this as A matrix. Lambda I is the identity matrix. If you write in the place of A, that is a matrix, and lambda into Y, that is a identity matrix, then you will get a equation cos alpha minus lambda sin alpha cos alpha minus lambda whose determinant equal to 0. Next, simply apply the determinant formula to find the value of lambda and multiply this 2, and this will be cos alpha minus lambda whole square minus sin square alpha equal to 0, and this apply a minus b whole square of a minus b, that will be cos square alpha plus lambda square minus 2 lambda cos alpha, that is sin square alpha equal to 0. Next, now solve this equation according to the power of lambda, that is lambda square 2 lambda cos alpha, and these two terms will be cos square alpha minus sin square alpha equal to 0. Okay, so come to this point, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. You have to remember some trigonometry identity whose value will be cos 2 alpha. So write it down, lambda square minus 2 lambda cos alpha plus cos 2 alpha equal to 0, and this is the quadratic equation. So we have to find the value of lambda by using quadratic formula. Now apply that formula, that lambda value of lambda will be minus b. In place of b there is minus 2 whole into cos 2 alpha, so we can write it as 2 cos alpha plus or minus square root of b square. In place of b, that is minus 2 cos alpha whole square minus 4 into a, that is 1, into c, that is cos 2 alpha, divided by 2 into a, that the value of a will be 1 at here. And next, just simplify it, that will be 2 cos alpha and plus or minus it will be 4 cos square alpha, and it will be 4 cos 2 alpha whole square root divided by 2. And now write down again cos 2 cos alpha plus or minus 4 cos square alpha. We know that value of cos 2 alpha equal to cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Just write down the value, square root divided by 2, and it will be 2 cos alpha plus or minus, and it will be 4 cos square alpha minus 4 cos square alpha, it will cancel out, and it will be minus into minus, that is plus 4 sin square alpha square root divided by 2, and it will be 2 cos alpha plus or minus 2 sin alpha divided by 2. If you take common 2 from numerator, then you will get cos alpha plus or minus sin alpha, and that is the final answer. That is the value of lambda has 2 value. And go to the options, that is the option D, cos alpha plus or minus sin alpha.